Hi, welcome to learning goal number 1.3. It says I can find the percentage of a number using models. My name is Mr. Ko. Welcome. Before we start, can you make sure you have your paper, pencil, or pen? What to expect to do during this video is we have 3 practice problems. We'll do 2 together, and the third one you'll do on your own. When you're taking notes, if you want to pause or take a moment to draw the models, please hit pause. Let's get started. Our first problem is, what is 150% of 30? We have our bar model, and here it says 150%. This is made up of 2 other bar models, which is 100% and 50%. This is also made up of 15 of these 10%. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So with our number 30, if we divide it by 10, we can figure out what one of these 10% pieces is. 30 divided by 10, get 3. We'll take that 3 moving forward. So here we have our same bar model from the previous slide, and here we made another bar model where we put that 3 in here that represents 10% of 30. I want to highlight this part, this 50%. We know that 50% is 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. But 50% of our number 30 is 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, or 3 times 5, 15. If we know 50% and if we know 100%, we can figure out what 150% is. We take 30, add it to 15, we get 45. So 150% of our number 30 is 45. Let's move on to another problem. Number 2, what is 120% of 70? Again, we have our bar models. So we have 100%, we have 20%. These two bar models make up 120%. Down here we have 10%, and we have them 12 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So if we take our number 70, divide it by 10, we can figure out what each of these 10% pieces represents. We get 7. So we're taking 7 and moving forward. Again, here's the same model that we had from the previous slide, and we just made another one with our number 70. And as we found out, each of those 10% is 7. I'd like to highlight this part right here, which is equal to 20%. 10% plus 10%, 20%. 7 plus 7 is 14. So if we know 20% and we know 100%, we can figure out what 120% is. As a result, 120% of 70 is 84 because it's made up of 70 and 14, or it's made up of 100% and 20%. Our last problem I'd like you to do on your own. What is 130% of 80? Feel free to draw the models and take your answer, and we'll see you in class. Remember, mistakes are the start of learning.